Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today's video we're going to unbox a GoPro Karma Grip in 2020. We're now in September 2020 and I recently picked this up for a fraction of the cost that these are worth. I've been very lucky in recent times to pick up some real GoPro bargains, and I think it's because the Hero 8 has probably out now and they're probably looking at the Hero 9 at some time in the future. I'm still quite happy with my Hero 5, 6 and 7, and there's several reasons for that. All my accessories fit the Hero 5, 6 and 7. I've still got a GoPro Karma drone that uses the Hero 5, 6 or 7. I've also got a Karma grip that came with the drone, and I've just picked up a spare one here. And there's several reasons for this, because I want to be using this on its own, and it's going to be part of my camera bag, and also it'll give me a spare stabilizer just in case something happens to one of my other stabilizers. I'll have a spare one. And look, I picked up this whole grip brand new in the box for less than the cost of just the stabilizer, just this bit here, which is what is prone to breaking. It'll also give me a spare handle and a few other spare things. So let's just take this out of the box and see how we go. Before we open it, let's have a closer look at the box. Okay, it is still sealed. There's the back of the box. You can attach the stabilizer setup to your Seeker backpack, or also to your GoPro drone backpack case that came with your GoPro drone. There's the side of the box, there's another use for it. Back of the box is not really exciting. And we're back to the front of the box. So let's get into it and see what we got. Here we go. We're going to break the seal. There you go, it just falls open. Let's have a look what we get in there. Karma grip, little book. Warning. Product information and safety instructions. Update your Karma grip and camera. There you go. Let's put all that aside. Okay, it's nicely wrapped up. There you go. It comes with the mount, and that mount allows you to mount your Karma grip on a standard GoPro accessory mount. Now, I've noticed that this one is plastic. All the other ones I've ever seen of these, they are metal. This is a plastic one. That's different. There's the charging cable, standard charging cable. Got to be careful. And there's your Karma grip. There you go. All done. I bet it's got no charge in it. Nothing at all. It's dead, so I'm going to have to charge it up. So you've got your Karma grip handle, your stabilizer, and your harness. And this harness will fit your GoPro Hero 5, 6 and 7. It does not fit the 4. You can buy a separate harness that you can attach here for the Hero 4, but you cannot get anything to use with the Hero 8. So the Hero 8 and onwards cannot be used with a Karma grip. Okay, very important to note. Let's see if there's anything else in there. That's it. Okay, so there is the GoPro Karma grip unboxed. Now, I find it very strange, two things, that this is plastic, and also the fact that it did not come with the wrist strap. You think they would give you a wrist strap with a brand new Karma grip that you're buying, but I believe you only get the wrist strap if you're buying the Karma grip with the case, which is a whole nother thing. But then again, I'm happy I've got my Karma grip. Now, if you watched one of my earlier videos, you would know that I picked up a GoPro Karma grip case as part of a $25 Facebook marketplace deal that I picked up recently. And if you remember that video, it also came with one of these, but the metal version, not the plastic version. What I'll do, I'll charge this up and I will add some GoPro footage filmed with the Karma grip to the end of this video. Now, if you enjoyed this little unboxing video, do me a favour, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the brand new Karma grip, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.